Have you ever considered having a custom piece of jewellery made but felt uncertain about how it all works? Allow me to walk you through each stage, step by step. The process all starts here, where we will welcome you into our beautiful showroom and you'll be seated with one of our experienced consultants. We will then discuss your design ideas, price considerations and preferences to bring your creative vision to life. From there, we begin the design process. And this is where one of our talented designers will bring your visions to life, hand sketching concepts to be presented to you for your approval. It's then into our state-of-the-art workshop. At this stage, our manufacturing department takes over. With a team of highly skilled jewellers and setters, they expertly craft and transform your concept into reality. And finally, our favourite chapter of the journey, unveiling the masterpiece that brings your dream design to life. So we invite you to come into our showrooms and come up with something truly magical for yourself.
Solid gold.